Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start now, quit Warzone and fully restart your console or PC so nothing is held in cache. Once done, plug an Ethernet cable directly to the router to rule out Wi-Fi packet loss. Next, disable any VPN or proxy and turn off third-party firewall apps for testing. These commonly block the UDP ports Warzone needs. Do this before launching the game so you can isolate router or ISP issues quickly and avoid wasting time on in-game settings. You now fix the network stack. On Windows, run ipconfig/flushtons, then release and renew your IP so stale entries vanish. Make sure to change DNS to 1, 1, 1, 1 or 8, 8, 8, 8 to improve name resolution and reduce connection failures. Next, verify your NAT type and enable UPnP on the router or manually forward Warzone's UDP/TCP ports. This prevents matchmaking drops. After these changes, reboot the router and test a connection to the game before signing in so results are obvious. You finish by validating the game and system. Run the platform's verify or repair tool to fix corrupt Warzone files and update your network drivers or console firmware so compatibility issues vanish. If problems persist, run a ping and trace route to the game servers, note packet loss and latency, and try an alternate DNS temporarily. One key tip: collect those logs and call your ISP or Activision support. Providing trace routes and timestamps accelerates identifying upstream routing faults that cause persistent connections.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.